So when you figure the last piece as far as your cut goes, what you want to do is set on top of the tongue and measure up to the joist, and you'll see that it's 12 inches. If you try to do it anymore and try to do 12 and a half, you're not going to be able to fit it in there because of the tongue on there. Pretty easy to mark the panels for a cut. Just take your tape measure, put it where you want, and run your hand and your finger along, and you'll see you get a nice cut line. This will be cutting with the hands off. I'll show you cutting through the studs. Now we're got to the studs, and that cuts about like when you're doing 7 foot high, you're going to have the piece with the tongue that fits and the groove that fits right in. Then you're going to have the piece that you cut off. And so you don't waste anything. We want to be able to utilize this whole piece and have no waste at all for 7 foot high or 9 foot high. So what we're going to do is trim off these tongues on there so this can fit right tight against here, and you'll see we're just going to put a bead of construction adhesive on there to take the place of tongue being gone. Should trim off a little bit here. Trim the tongue off. Now we have the adhesive on the bottom, so it's going to squish into place. And we're just going to put it into place here. And squish it down in place, and you can see the adhesive is going to be stronger than the foam itself. So we're utilizing everything. We don't have any waste at all with it. Now you are missing the alignment notches on there, so you do want to make sure that everything lines up, that your studs line up manually. Zero waste construction. As you can see, I didn't do a perfectly straight cut with that. If you do it on a table saw, this will all be perfectly tight. With this, the adhesive fills in the gap there and seals everything up. As you can see, the table saw makes a perfectly smooth flat cut and is actually much quicker than doing by hand or with the saber saw or anything